Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alyaa Nadhirah binti NIZAM with number MATRIC S71361. I will explain about data analytical from problem 4.5 individual assignment for accounting information system SC33513. So the first one, I need to open Microsoft Access and click the button the blank database. Next, you need to save the database. After save the document, we need enter the information from the question given. So first, I do have a customer, inventory, sales and sales inventory. We need insert all the data, so I will create the table for customer first. So this is all the information I have entered, namely customer, inventory, sales and sales inventory. Question A, for which item are there at least 100 units in quantity on hand? So first, we need to create a new query design. We take the table inventory. We use field with item ID, description and quantity on hand. Like you can see, the below three field table remain the same, which is inventory. The question A asks for at least 100 units in quantity on hand. So criteria, column quantity on hand, we must write at least 100 and we click the run. So this is answer for question A. Next, question B, what were the item number, price and quantity of each item sold on invoice number 103? So first, we need create the new query design. We must take the table of sales inventory. We must take the invoice, item ID, quantity and sales price. For the table, we use sales inventory for all fields. For the sort, question never asks for sort, so we just remain it blank. For the question B, we must write 103 and we click the run. So this is answer for question B. Next, question C, which customer made purchase from Martinez? Provide customer name and salesperson. Show customer name only once, even if they purchase from Martinez multiple times. We create the new query design. We take the table customer and sales. We must link relationship customer ID with customer ID. So for the field with customer ID, customer name and salesperson. For this question, we add total as a group by add all column. From what question 1, I will fill criteria in salesperson is Martinez. Now we click the run. So this is answer for question C. Now we continue for question D. List invoice, sales data, salesperson, customer name and amount for invoice whose amount is more than 100, 500. Sort the amount from largest to smallest. We create the new query design and I will take table customer and sales. We must link relationship customer ID with customer ID. For the field, we take invoice, sales date, salesperson, customer name, and the last one is amount. And the question 1 sort the amount from largest to smallest. So we go to amount and field sort in amount is descending with its largest to smallest. The criteria, we fill amount with more than 1,500. So that's all for the question D, and we click the run. This is answer for question D, and we save as D question. So question E, list invoice, item ID, description, sales price, list price, quantity, and compute the extension sales price multiplied by quantity for all items sold where the sales price is different than the list price, sort by item ID in descending order. So first, we create a new query design for question E. Then we add the table. We add table inventory. We add table sales inventory and inventory. Next, we link the relationship that is item ID for the field. So first, invoice, item ID. Next, description, sales price, list price, and quantity. And the last one is extension. From the question, we must include the formula sales price multiplied by quantity. So in field, type extension sales price multiply by quantity. Like you can see, the table for invoice, item ID, sales price, and quantity is sales inventory. Description and list price is table list price. The table is inventory. And for the extension, we leave it blank. And the criteria, question 1, sales price is different than the list price. We go to the sales price. The criteria, we must type and click the run. So this is answer for question E. For question F, compute the profit margin for each item. Calculate the profit margin as sales price minus standard cost divided by sales price, list invoice, sales date, item ID, sales price, quantity, and compute profit margin. Sort by profit margin in descending order. So we create a new query design. For table, we use the sales inventory, and inventory. So for the field, we take the invoice, sales date, item ID, sales price, quantity, and we calculate the profit margin. Click tool, use formula. The formula is profit margin, open bracket, sale price minus standard cost divided by sales price, and we click OK. Back to the question. So back to the question. Sort by profit margin in descending order. So profit margin we sort by descending order, and after that we click the run, and we will get the answer for question F. Save as table question F. Okay. So now we continue to question G. Compute the profit for each line of the invoice. Calculate the profit as sales price minus standard cost multiplied by quantity. List invoice, sales date, item ID, sales price, quantity, and compute profit. Sort by invoice in ascending, then profit in descending order. So the first one, we create a new query. We take table sales, sales inventory, and inventory. And field, for the field, choose invoice, sales date, item ID, sales price, quantity, and we compute the formula. We choose bill, then calculate the profit using the formula. Profit, bracket, sales inventory, sales price minus inventory standard cost multiply by sales inventory quantity, and we click OK. And the question asks the profit in descending order and the invoice is ascending order. So profit descending and the invoice ascending. So after that we click the run and we will get the answer for question G. So next, question H. How many sales transactions were made in October? Name your output, column number of sales. So we create a new query first. For question H, we need take table sales. And the field, we must take sales date. But we need to adjust. Choose zoom and change to number of sales. Number of sales, sales stat, and next we click OK. We fill another field, go to zoom and then adjust month, open bracket, sales, sales date. Next, click OK. For this question, we must total as a total up as a group by add all column. The month, for the month, no need to click, no need to tick. And now we click the run. So this is answer and we save as question H. So next, for the question H, how many customers live in Arizona? List the state and count of customer. So create new query and we select the table customer. For the field, we take the state and second field also state. For the table, both of them is customer and we need to total up. For the first state is group by and other state is count. So for the criteria, so for the criteria is in first state with Arizona, AZ, and you just click the run and you will get the answer for question I. For next question, how many customers live in each state? List the state and count of customer. Sort the list alphabetically by state. So first, we create new query and take table customer. Yes. So for the field, I take state and customer name. We need to total up also for this question. For the state total up by group by and customer name is count. So from what question 1, sort in column state with ascending. So ascending, just ascending. So after that, we click the run. So this is answer for question J. We save as question J. So next, question K. How many did each salesperson sell based on sales amount, list salesperson, and total amount, sort from largest total amount to smallest? So we create new query first. Table sales. So field, we take salesperson and amount. Yes. We total out for this question. Group by at salesperson and sum for this for amount. So question 1, sort from largest total amount to smallest. So in column amount, we choose descending. Okay, now we click the run and we get the answer for question K. So next question L. Next is question L. How many units of each item were sold? List item ID, description, and total sold. Sort on total sold in ascending order. Like before, we create new query and take table inventory and sales inventory. For the field, item ID, description, and fill another field. Go to zoom, then adjust. Total sold. Count, open bracket, sales inventory. Quantity. So close the bracket and we click OK. We total up the question, group by for item ID and description, and for total sold is expression. And question 1 sort on total sold in ascending order. So ascending, and we click the run. So this is answer for question L. So I already answered all the questions from A to L. That's all from me. Thank you.